Now, what I love about this, the trays, these are $1.50. You know, these are just fancy, you know? They come in different colors. This green is my dang, like a chicken wing. Now, ooh, child, this color is just giving life. They also have the pumpkin trays over here, $1.50. They have these. It's just like a salt shaker. Oh yeah, salt and pepper shaker. This is cute. I absolutely love these, especially like for the holidays and stuff like that. Honey, those are nice. You know it's finna go down. You know when I put these glasses on, honey, you want to stick around. Now, I know you may be saying, Dina, those kid glasses? Why they look funny? They are kid glasses. But honey, I said these are nice. You know, the pink. Oh, child. I'm feeling fancy. You know, it's giving me in my drop top. You hear what I'm saying? Definitely love these. These are $1.50, honey. Oh, I'm to the point going to different Dollar Trees. I'm to the point where as though they just making up stuff. You get what I'm saying? I'm just to that point where as though they just making things up as I go down these aisles. Okay, check this out. Now, Dollar Tree has these earwax cleaners, remove wax, relieves itch, exfoliates, works instantly. Now you get 2 of these air cleaners for $1.25. This is one of the items I'm talking about. Now they also have the assorted blister cushions. Look at them being fancy. I mean, you know, you can't just make this up, child. Now these are $1. You know, $1.25, $1.50. Which one? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Now these are definitely $1.50 because you see they got the sticker on some of these. I guess they ran there to, you know, the red stickers. But you get 5 cushions for $1.50. So Dollar Tree also have these 2 comb pieces. This is giving me straightening comb from back in the day. You know, $1.25. Let me take it away. All right, family. So item of the week at this Dollar Tree, we are in, I think this is Bellevue. I think. Now, Dollar Tree has these 10 bags of gluten-free popcorn multi-pack. These are $5. When I seen these, I was like, oh my goodness, an amazing deal. They also have the Hers over here, priority pack. You get 10 single serve bags. They have the sour cream. Sour cream is definitely my favorite. The crisp and tasty cheese curls, and then also popcorn. These are $5. They also have the Takis over here, 10 singles for $5 as well. I mean, come on, honey, they definitely movie groovy. Now, they also have the prom drinks. Normally, I don't allow my children to drink these. I just don't like them drinking them. But if they with me, they have their own money, honey, they'll still go ahead and purchase these. These are $1.25. Okay, my love, so I heard you guys was looking for some sale deals, trills, for real. And you know I'm in a place to be. And I'm going to have you move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Now, let me give you the tea. All right, honey, so we jumping straight into it. Dollar Tree has these. These are cute. Can also be used as a napkin ring. You can add your own little message in here. These are $1.25. They come in 2 different colors, the orange and white. You can use a marker or a paint pen. I like these to customize your plaque. Nice. Now, some amazing items that Dollar Tree has is these candle holders. These are fancy out of McFanciest, all right, for $1.25. They also have these candles. Let's get us a smell, shall we? I mean, come on. I mean, you can't really smell this, all right? I mean, you can smell it. You can smell it a little. But it's given when I light it. I don't know if you're going to be able to smell it like that. You get what I'm saying? Now, they also have the bourbon. Now, this one, they ain't messed with this one. Now, this one, you can smell it. You know, it's no guessing. They also have the vanilla cashmere. Not as strong as this bourbon. Okay, you know bourbon is strong. You hear what I'm saying? Now, they also have the crimson cranberry. It's not giving strong. You know, it's not giving. It's gonna knock my socks off. You get what I'm saying? $1.25. Now, is one item that I am on the hunt for, okay? And this is brow pencil that's in a box that Dollar Tree has. It gives fancy. It gives fancy. It gives, Ulta vibes, okay? $1.25, but honey, I don't see them yet. So let's see what else they have, shall we, Joe? Now, Dollar Tree also have these these gel lip liners. I thought these was definitely a steal. Okay, you get 2 of these for $1.25. They also have the Ebon, $1.25 as well, the metallic lipstick. This was good, although I did pick up the wrong red. It was more so burgundy, but that's neither here nor there. Now, if you guys are looking for an amazing lip color, okay, these are so good. The LA Colors, the lip liner pencil, it gives that ombre look. Is that how you say it? $1.25. Absolutely love these. Now, I do have about 3 of these. Let me see. The Dreamy Delight I have. I don't think I have the Pure Magic. Do I have the Pure Magic? I don't know, child. But these are really, really good. Honey, you would just thank me now, all right? If you come in the Dollar Tree and you saying, Dina, I'm going to go on and trust you and get this, honey, just thank me in the comment section. Now, they also have the Bold and Bright lipstick. I used to think like, ooh, Dollar Tree lipstick. Ooh, child, I don't know about that. But these are good. Sweet cocoa and that pink, the juicy cherry. Honey, this is good. Now, Dollar Tree has this bubble cake crumble under running water for I want to say filthy, for the bubble bath. These are $1.25. It's giving dry, all right? $1.25. Oh, they also have the bath bombs over here. We did these, I believe, and they was okay. Rose Petal Kisses. Let me tell you something. When I buy these bath bombs, my youngest daughter, Amani, honey, she gonna take about 3 or 4 and put them in the bath. Now, I know you guys said this, the bath bombs is like a yeast infection waiting to happen. All right, but we haven't experienced that yet. Well, we haven't experienced that, okay? Now, Dollar Tree also have the Onyx Bath House Beach Vacay. When it comes to this for $1.25 as a gift, I think this is a steal deal, or you could just put this in your bathroom. To me, in my opinion, this is steal. They also have the one that has the 5 pieces as opposed to the 2 pieces. In my opinion, it makes sense to get this one. But, honey, I'm calling you guys Dollar Tree. I can't make this out. Listen, Dollar Tree has these diamond painting coasters. Now, I heard you guys was on the lookout for these. These are $1.50. Now, not only do they come like this, they come in different styles, okay? Like this. They also have the circle-looking one. And then they also have this one as well. And you can make different things out of this. 1 wood coaster, 1 gem pen, 1 square of pen gel, and then 1 tray, 4 gem packets, $4.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have the paper pack. Honey, I don't recall ever seeing this. And it's filled as heavy as a rock, so they well packaged it. You get what I'm saying? Now, I'm guessing this is $1.25 because they don't have a red sticker on it unless somebody took it off. Now, they also have these craft fabrics over here. Oh, this is nice, fresh and clean. And they have different ones to my DIYers out there. Okay. And what in the world is this? I said, what in the world? Now, you get 2 pieces for $1.25. When it comes to the DIYs, honey, they definitely gonna deliver with the DIY items. Now, this is really, really cool. This is the wood frame with 10 board. Okay, you can put like sticky notes. Like this is what they have up here. They have like the sticky notes and stuff on. Well, not the sticky notes, but those are clothespins they have up there. Child. But this looks like it's really good for $1.50. Let's just say this is $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have these fancy, gorgeous, I like these metallic markers. These are $1.25. $25. And they come in different colors. This one is cute. Sands. Oh, all of them say sands. So, honey, oh, I guess this is like one of those items where as though you know what color it is based upon you looking at it. Honey, I would get some snacks. But, honey, I did food shopping. What was it? This week? Used all the stamps. Okay. All right. But, honey, well, the fridge and the freezer is looking good. Now, if you are looking for some huge mugs, and I do mean huge, these are really, really good. These mugs up here, honey, like this blue one, this is huge. Compared to this one, honey, this one ain't got nothing on this one. This one is huge. I absolutely love these mugs. And they come in two different colors, the blue and also the red. Now, somebody has to be like a huge Eagle fan, you know, up north in these Dollar Trees, because, honey, you know, when you come over here, you see all the Eagles, you know, stuff. And these are $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have these square bathtub treads. All right, you get 6 of these for $1.50. When I first seen these, I said, what in the world, like, what you supposed to do with these, you know? And I guess, all right, wait, make sure surface is clean, run warm water, position treads, then press down on suction cups from above to engage firmly. Your treads are securely insulated before entering the tub. I guess you put this on the floor of the tub for tub or shower decorative purposes only. Oh, I'm guessing you put this on the floor of the tub. If you guys have used these, let us know in the comment section, you know, how did you set these up, okay? Now, items that you may think are huge that are not. Definitely these mesh bags. These bags are so little. Now, you get 3 of these for $1.50. What I do with these, I put like my socks, our socks in there. Like if I do laundry and it's socks missing, I put them in here. Or because maybe the socks will come up, okay? Or what I would do is if I gotta wash my children's sneakers and stuff like that, I put them in here. You know, for $1.50, that's not bad. They also still have the dryer boards. You get 2 of these for $1.50 as well. Do understand that, honey, the Dollar Trees, they're already putting their Christmas items out. So if you're a person, you know, you like shopping, getting your Christmas decor out the way, honey, you better come on down to Dollar Tree because they just start putting the Christmas items out. Never say I ain't warn you. Now, other Halloween items that I absolutely love is these candles. They put me so much in the mind of, guess that movie. My favorite movie, if you don't know, is Coco, okay? A Disney film. Love it. This is the day of the day. So cool. These are $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have this decor right here. These are cute. I like these. These doorknob decors, I think they're $1.50. Really nice. I like how they, you know, had these acorns and stuff down there. That's nice. Now, one thing you don't want to sleep on, my love, is the floral items that Dollar Tree has. Now, these are $1.75. They bright, they right. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. So nice. You want to set up like a vase set? Honey, these are nice. Oh, now Dollar Tree also had the stacking skull tree. Now, I had heard, okay, from one of the store managers that the white ones, like this is like a special ornament or something. Like these, the stacking skull trees. Now, these are $7. They have it on there, grab before it's gone, and they have like about 40s. If you guys are looking for Christmas themed foam noodles, Dollar Tree definitely has them. These are $1.50. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item. I mean, they had so... Damn, I can't get it out. They had so many steal deals, like Holyfield, really, really good. That air cleaner, I mean, I said they was just making things up as we went. But for $1.50, you get 2 of those. That was really, really cool. I mean, the decor items, really, really nice. Absolutely love the decor items. Those are good as well. Let us know in the comment section, what are you guys looking for currently? I told you guys I'm looking for that pencil. There's Gibbs Ulta vibes, you know? And yeah, that's pretty much it. With that being said, I love you guys. Keep rocking out. Believing in yourselves. Until next time. Peace.